Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by opening Bing and signing into your Microsoft account so your settings and chat history sync. Once signed in, enable AI features and accept any preview or permission prompts. This unlocks advanced responses and context retention. Next, pick a chat mode, creative for brainstorming, balanced for everyday answers, precise for exact facts, because choice affects tone and length. Finally, make sure your device has internet access and a stable connection before you continue. This reduces timeouts and missing content. You now focus on prompts. Start with a clear goal and desired format so Bing knows whether to write an email, create code, or summarize points. Once done, add concise context, dates, constraints, audience, and any examples, because Bing uses that to produce relevant output. Then iterate. Ask follow-ups, request revisions, or give system-style instructions to adjust tone and detail. Make sure to use numbered steps and explicit constraints when precision matters, as that reduces ambiguity and speeds up accurate results. You wrap up by reviewing the AI output for accuracy, tone, and missing steps. Edit the response before using it. If you need verification, ask Bing to provide sources, timestamps, or step-by-step derivations so you can cross-check claims. If results are off, refresh the chat, rephrase the prompt with clearer constraints, or switch chat modes to change response style. A key troubleshooting tip: if you hit strange behavior, clear conversation history, or toggle AI features. Then retry with a minimal reproducible prompt to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.